Hello everybody, welcome back to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John and it's soft soil season here in Central Oregon, and that's that time of year where you got just enough moisture that your kickstand sinks in and the ground hasn't quite frozen, so you shouldn't be riding. And so it's time to install a kickstand foot enlarger from SRC Moto. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and that's why I continue to use SRC Moto products. They're a great product. I've used them on several bikes now. Got the complete crash bar and skid plate assembly on this 2024 Transalp. There's a video out there on that. And Scott and Aaron do a great job. We don't have an association with them other than the fact that they make a really good product and they've been very supportive of us in the past. And we really like their small business that they have up there in Central Oregon. So this is a real simple fix for a kind of could be a complex problem. Your kickstand sinking in the mud is not a good thing. You're only going to need a 4mm Allen head wrench and a 10mm spanner to put this on, and it's going to take all of about a minute and a half. So let's get started. All right, the three pieces simply they orient this way. You've got the base plate, you've got a spacer, and then you got the cover plate. Comes on, cover plate goes over. Make sure the spacer's around the kickstand, and then go ahead and set one and two, and all you want to do is get them so that they're centered, and then before you tighten, just make sure everything's locked in like that into position. And you can tell how much larger that makes that footprint. And I don't know where you are in the country, but I'm either looking for a rock or a piece of wood or something when the surface is less than ideal to set my bike down for a rest. Again, a 4mm. I really love my little Nico Allen head metric set. Carolyn will put a link to it because it is one of those products. I swear to you, I don't ever come out into the garage and I never work on a bike where I haven't had to access that, at least in the last couple of years. So, well, there you have it. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Well, I guess 4. So 4 bolts, and we've got a much larger footprint. This item is under 50 bucks. Go ahead and check out SRC Moto. Enter code Shamrock Tour 10. We don't get a discount, but at least they'll know where they're getting this information coming from. And if you're served by this information, we've got a great video series where we've done a complete essential installs for things on the Honda Transalp. And I would encourage you to check them out. If you like that kind of content, please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. And on that note, travel safe, and we'll see you out on the road.